Some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the beginning, I'm doing the thrift store slime challenge. I'm super excited because I haven't done one of these challenges in so long. I think it's been half a year already, and I missed these challenges, you guys. So I'm back with a new one. It's not a Dollar Tree slime challenge, it's not a Daiso slime challenge, it's a thrift store slime challenge. I came up with the idea one day by going to the thrift store, the near one near me, and I just saw so many items slime related, like glue, foam beads, and many more stuff. The only thing I couldn't find was borax, so I did decide to use my own borax. So I hope you guys liked the video, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below to become part of the family. It would mean so much to me. Turn my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. Go ahead and like my video, and go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'll leave everything down below. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm now back from the thrift store, and I actually found so much stuff, as you guys saw. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited for this challenge. I sadly didn't find borax, but I made the rule up, so I think I can use borax from home. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. So I bought these glitters. I don't know if you guys can see them. It comes in a pack of 3, but here's one of them. I also bought a lot of these clear glues, you guys. I bought some of these clear glues. They're so cute. Why are they cute though? I feel like I've seen these at the Dollar Tree, but okay. I also bought this white glue, which I think I'm gonna use. I also bought some orbeez. And I also bought these super cute berry accents, which sadly some of them fell, but I have another one. They're only $1.09, you guys. That's a steal. I can use these as like so the first slime we're gonna be making is, I think I want to make an orbeez slime. I'm gonna try to make an orbeez slime, you guys. And for this, I'm gonna use a white glue. No, I'm gonna use a clear glue for this, because I am not trying to, what is it called, make a white glue and make the orbeez fall out. So I'm gonna be adding clear glue to this one. Okay, and with that, I'm gonna be adding the orbeez in right now. Look at that. Ooh, it smells nasty. What does it smell like? Look at that. Can you see that? I'm gonna add a bit in here. Hopefully they don't fall out from the thing. You know what I mean? Because usually when you add orbeez to slime, they fall out a lot. So let me just mix this together. So I'm gonna add the borax now, you guys. I'm not gonna add a lot. I think that's good for right now. Let's hope the orbeez don't fall out. So you guys, oh my god, I don't know what happened. I feel like something in the orbeez made the slime super sticky. And now every time I add borax, it still doesn't get hard enough so it doesn't stick on you. I don't know what to do. It feels really good, like it's super soft. But look at the Orbeez, they're falling everywhere. You see that? We don't stand. It's so sticky. I feel like it's getting less stickier, but the Orbeez are now starting to fall off, which this is probably gonna be a fail for me, just because it's supposed to be an Orbeez slime and the Orbeez are all falling off and it keeps getting sticky. So this is gonna be a thumbs down for me. Okay guys, so that one was a fail. I don't know why it did that, how it acted. It acted as if it was like melting it more, you know what I mean? And I don't know, I'm gonna get on to the next one. That one was a complete fail. And let me down in the comments below why you guys think that happened, because it's really weird. So the next one we're gonna be doing is a glitter slime, you guys, and I'm actually really excited for this one because this one is probably gonna work. So if you guys want to know how to make instant clear slime, all you need is clear glue. So, and then add your activator on top. And then with a fork, what you're gonna do is start mixing it slowly. 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 Because you don't want to get air bubbles in your slime, and you want to end up with the clear slime, you know what I mean? So this is how you're gonna do it. Then you're gonna want to get in with your hands, slowly also mix it. So you guys, here I have my clear slime. It's a bit sticky just because I am gonna add what's it called, a glitter to it, and look how clear it turned out. It's not that clear, but it's clearer than if you would have mixed it really fast with a spoon, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm really excited to mix in the glitter, so let's see if it works. So now I'm gonna add the glitter, you see guys. I'm so excited because it's gonna be glitter slime. But yeah. Whoa. I'm gonna add all of these. Isn't that super nice? So now I'm gonna mix it and hope I don't get nothing stuck all over my floor. And hope I don't get nothing stuck all over my floor. And hope I don't get nothing stuck all over my floor. So here's the first one. I want to add one more, not all of it, just because it's already getting stiff as we speak. So I'm probably going to add a little bit of the chunkier glitter. You know what I mean? Oh, there we go. And hope I don't get nothing stuck all over my floor. And hope I don't get nothing stuck all over my floor. Oh. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. No. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys. What did I just do? So you guys, oh my god, nothing's going right today. This is a slime. I honestly really like it. Look at that. Look how nice that is. But look at that. Oh my god, sorry for the people screaming. Oh my god, I am screwed. So here is the slime, you guys. Oh my god, I still can't believe that happened to me. I'm really shook. But it came out really nice. This is probably one of my favorites. Okay, so since it's already a disaster, I'm just gonna add the rest of the glitters to my next slime, which is a foam slime with glitter beads already. So it's gonna be extra glittery, you guys. Oh my god, you guys, this is gonna be a mess. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the borax, which, oh my god, this whole video is a mess, but I'm still gonna upload it though, because it's gonna be a funny video, and I'm really excited to watch it, and for you guys to watch it. Okay, so the slime is now sticky enough, you guys. So I'm gonna add this whole bottle of foam beads and hope that it turns out alright. I know, oh my god, it's gonna be... So here's the slime, you guys. It's honestly one of my favorite slimes I've ever made. Look, oh my god, the crunches. I would add more foam beads, but then I feel like it wouldn't hold in the slime, you know what I mean? They would just fall out. But look how crunchy this is. Look, let me just knead it a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Because then the glitter bomb is gonna happen again.